you will need 12 volt relay and take 1N4007 diode and connect to the relay as I am doing. Make sure negative side of diode will be downside and upper side will be positive. Now sort the terminals of relay as I have done. Take BC547 transistor and connect its collector to the relay. Now take 10 UF capacitor. It can be any voltage, 25 volt, 100 volt, 50 volt. You can use any of that. And connect its capacitors negative to emitter of transistor and positive to base of transistor. Now take 10 kilo ohm potentiometer and connect its right side of terminal to emitter of transistor. Now connect 1 kilo ohm resistor between transistor's base and potentiometer's middle pin. And take a 10 kilo ohm resistor and connect between relay and potentiometer as I have soldered. Now take two LEDs, one of them is green and other is red, green and red, and connect both negative pin to each other and connect positive pins of LED to relay as I have soldered. Now connect 1 kilo ohm resistor between emitter of transistor and LED's negative pins. Now take 1N5407 3 ampere diode and connect its positive pin to the relay. And now connect these battery terminals as I have connected. That diode side is output and this side is input.